my channel. I'll be sharing with you today some tips on how to take your own model Digis or digitals at home. Digitals or Digis are pictures, the same as a set card, but the difference is these are all just plain pictures. However, if we put all these digitals or pictures in one template with the measurements, and that is already what you call a set card, if I'm not mistaken. Tip number 1, make sure that you don't wear makeup, or at least keep it very minimal. Do the no makeup look like this. Very lightweight, just a little color. Make sure that it looks natural. Modeling agencies and clients prefer natural, bare, no makeup, because you're basically a blank canvas. So if they look at these pictures that you submit, they'll need to be able to envision their clothes, the look on you. If you put so much makeup on your face, or if you wear something striking or too bold, you won't be able to envision something on that picture, right? So that's basically why they prefer natural or raw photos of you. Tip number 2, wear fitting clothes. Make sure you wear clothes that emphasize your figure. I suggest you wear something black and basic. No patterns. Third tip is make sure your hair is tied. Nothing should be covering your face. Tip number 4 is no accessories. Tip number 5, when you take your shots, make sure that you don't pose so much. So just natural. Tip number 6, when you take your actual shots, make sure that you stand against a solid color wall or background, like a white background. And if possible, as much as possible, use natural light. There you have it. I hope this video was useful or helpful somehow for models who are still starting, or for aspiring models out there. And I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Be brave, be different.